It's you that I want when it's me and the men them. We have to run from my party girl them. Don't want me children and thing. Me not ready for all them things.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am laicharris, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this hair that I have in right now. This hair I have in right now is from Bliss Wig, and I've had this hair for almost a year now, but I only wore it for about 4 or 5 months. So I did a video on my page about a year ago, well, in like November of last year, and I was showing you guys how I use the cling glue and like make my hairline look like it's mine. So this is the same wig. As you can see, I cut it into like a blunt cut. I just have it like in a little top knot right now. But yeah, so the specs on this hair is, like I said, I ordered it from Bliss Wig last year. I ordered it for Halloween because I was going to be scissor for Halloween. I'll put some pictures like onto the side of like the hair, like the styles that I wore when I had this hair in. So the shipping was pretty fast. I ordered this hair October 14th and it came October 17th, so it came in 3 days, so it came pretty quick. In that video you guys saw pretty much what like straight out the box. I didn't really do, I think I took some pictures of the box, so I'll put them in the video. But it came in this nice black box that said Bliss Wig, and I mean the package was pretty simple. It was, I think it came DHL too, so it was simple, but it wasn't like just thrown in a bag. It had a cute little box. I had paid $120.71 for a 16-inch. I'll link the video that I did before, you guys can see the length it was before. So yeah, I think it was a decent, and it's with 360 wig too. I didn't really customize the back, but I did bleach the knots and customize the front. I had no plans to wear it up, so I didn't customize the back. I never tried to wear it up either. I just wore it in ponytails and things like that. So yeah, it was a 360 lace front, well, lace wig, and the texture was Italian Yaki. I guess it's like a kinky straight hair. I got it in the color natural 1B. So on to the cons and pros of the hair. So the cons of this hair is that it is like very natural looking. Like it feels like natural hair. It looks like natural hair. Like I've been wearing this wig again for like the past 2-3 weeks, and I haven't washed it since I started wearing it. So I haven't washed it in like 2 weeks. I flat iron it about every other day. Like for the most part I could just throw this wig on. Like I don't have to do too much to it. It looks like natural, you know, like straightened hair. I guess you could say relaxed. I guess it just depends on what kind of hair you have. If you have like thick hair, then yeah. So yeah, it's thick, it's pretty soft. It reminds me of my hair, like natural black hair. Yeah, the first pro is that it's natural looking. The luster is really nice, not too shiny. It looks just like African American hair. The second pro is that it straightens pretty straight. Like when I first got it, it was kind of crinkly, like most kinky straight hair is. So it was crinkly, but I got it you know, pretty straight. Yeah, I think that's it with the pros. It's natural looking, it straightens well. I haven't tried to color it, so I don't know if it colors well, and I just think it looks cute. It looks really natural. I think it's a decent wig for $120. It's a 360 wig too, and it's just cool. So on to the cons. So the cons with this wig is that it does shed. It sheds a lot more than I really like, but I mean, it's $120 for a 16-inch 360 wig, so whatever. So it does shed, mostly in the back, like where I would say it sheds a lot where the frontal is, or like the 360 frontal is. So it sheds back there. So I'll brush through it and I'll get some strands here and there. Yeah, and the second con is that it tangles a lot. Like what tangles in the nape area, like where that the 360 part is, like where the lace is in the back, it tangles. So that's a con. But it doesn't like ball up too bad. It's just, it does tangle, so you would have to make sure you brush the hair throughout the day to keep the tangles. Third con is that the hair can get a little dry sometimes, so what I try to do is keep the hair washed and conditioned, moisturized weekly or bi-weekly. It just depends. Like this hair, I don't really put too much in it at all. Like at most I'll put in the Beyond the Zone hairspray or heat protectant, and that's it. Like you don't have to put too many products in this hair, even though it is like a thicker texture. You don't have to put too much because it will like weigh it down, so you want to keep a nice flow to it, so just don't put no product in it. I was asked to put like a review on this hair, and I'm finally doing one. So yeah, I would recommend this hair. I would recommend this wig because I haven't tried any other textures, so I don't know what they're like, but this one is a pretty decent wig for the price. It's a nice beginner 360 wig, and I mean, if you're natural and you want something that mimics your hair, I would recommend this wig. Oh yeah, and right now I don't have it like glued down or anything. I added an elastic band so that I could as you can see, it just flip this up or take this off or whatever. If I could rate this hair, I rate it like a 8 out of 10. I would recommend it. So everything about this hair will be linked down below. And if you like this video and it was helpful for you, make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.